Welcome back to Camp Nou Vision. We are back around the stadium to take a detailed look at the latest construction progress. Following the recent match, work has resumed across several areas, with structural preparation, interior activity, and finishing works continuing as the site moves forward despite a reduced schedule this week. The Tribune area remains relatively quiet, with minimal worker presence and limited machinery in operation. The central wall is still pending its final black paint, and no major new installations are visible at this time. Wooden protection panels around the store terrace have now been mostly removed, indicating completion of that temporary phase. In the diamond area, glass installation remains on hold, with no new panels placed since last week. The facade currently reaches the first access door, while multiple glass panels remain stacked nearby, including a few pending near the column corner. Ventilation equipment and materials continue to be stored in this section. The south goal shows moderate activity, with elevated platforms in use and workers continuing to paint structural beams in white. Several beams are already completed, while others are still in progress. Louvre support connections are partially installed, and interior work continues behind the structure as preparations move forward. At the north goal, most main supports are already installed, including upper and lower brackets for future Louvre replacement. Some diagonal elements are still missing in the corner sectors, but interior activity remains strong, with workers visible across scaffolded levels. Despite its advanced condition, this section remains closed for now. Louvre support systems are gradually being prepared across multiple areas of the stadium. Connection plates are installed in several sections, while some lower and diagonal supports are still pending. Numerous Louvre panels remain stored along the lateral zones, indicating that installation will resume once match-related restrictions are lifted. Progress continues on the compression ring system, with large structural elements positioned and staged for upcoming lifts. A radial beam is already in place near the corner, while additional massive compression ring elements remain stored on site. Scaffolding and preparation work around the columns suggest that the next installation phase is approaching. On the lateral side, structural preparation continues alongside beam coating and finishing work. Near the parking access, the previously cut wall has been reinforced with rebar and enclosed with formwork, leaving it ready for concrete pouring to fully level the entrance. Both interior and exterior works remain active despite reduced overall site operations. Overall, this week shows steady progress across the stadium despite match-related restrictions. Structural preparation, compression ring staging, interior works, and finishing tasks continue in multiple zones. While major lifts and facade installations are temporarily paused, the groundwork being completed now is clearly setting up the next significant phase of construction. This concludes today's construction update around the stadium. If you found this update useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next progress report.